Hello everyone, this is Christine from Hong Kong. I'm a car enthusiast. Today I would like to share with you footages and interviews from a recent car meet that I went to, the NSX Club Hong Kong. The video was originally made in Cantonese, and today I'm making an English version for the first time on my YouTube channel. The reason is that I discovered there are many NSX fans around the world, so hopefully with an English medium we can reach out to more NSX lovers around the world. Firstly, let me introduce Rocky, the chairman, and Kenneth, the vice-chairman. Rocky said that the club has been around for many years and is only taken over in recent years.
負責安排啲 event， 咁大家 morning drive 下，聚會下，食下嘢咁，影下相。
Today we have close to around 30 NSXs coming out, but Kenneth shared that there were times when there were very few NSXs in Hong Kong, owing to car registration rules.
有一段時間 NSX group 裏邊嘅車咧，或者香港咧就少得好誇張，即係平時出嚟咧可能都係10台到啦，最多去到20零台到啦，即係20部到已經好多。跟住開放咗20年車之後咧，就慢慢多啦，即係啲收藏嘅人多咗啦，玩翻嘅人又多，就開始又多翻 NSX。
係啊，即係除咗日本之外，我諗我哋香港都算多嘅啦。係啊，可以組埋一齊係都幾難得。
Next, meet Adrian, owner of this green NSX. The green is actually a special color, custom ordered by the previous owner in Japan.
我係第二任車主，咁日本咧係新車去到 export 嘅時候都只係經過一任車主嘅啫。咁以前嘅車主咧就係每一年都返 Honda 度做 service 嘅，咁全部都係當年所有呢啲嘅 record 啦，係啦。
Adrian also shares that the car is actually living in a climate control room with relative humidity at around 60 to 70% and a temperature of 20 to 21 degrees Celsius, and that probably exceeds the comfort level of many people.
舒服過人啊嘅生活。
While there are many original NSXs today, there are some that are slightly modified. Take this one, for example. The owner is Pak Kiu. He shared that he bought the car in 2017. The car was then entirely original. Over the years, eventually he spent close to 52,000 Hong Kong dollars on the modifications and refurbishments of the car. Mainly he modified the looks based on the second generation NSX R, which he finds to be very appealing. Next, meet Uncle Bill. Uncle Bill used to be the Acura car dealer in Canada. He fell in love with the NSX when it first came into the market. However, he couldn't buy the car back then because the car was only sold to an approved list of clients. When he eventually returned to Hong Kong, he bought his NSX that was back in the year 2000.
喺2000年就買咗呢一部，一路到今日已經有24年啦，絕對認為係一架值得保存嘅古董跑車。
Finally, meet Benjamin, who flew all the way from Singapore to join today's NSX Club Hong Kong meet.
Hi, I'm Benjamin from Singapore. I was just here on holiday.
So how do you find the meet today?
I've been to meets in like Japan. There's very few NSXs that hang out, and there's no meets in Singapore. It's nice to come out and see so many NSXs.
I heard that you're also an NSX owner. Can you tell us about your cars?
Yeah, so in Singapore, to be allowed to import NSXs, they either have to be brand new or like 35 years old. So this year we can start to import them. So that's why I have a 1990 NA1 manual, and I also have a 95 Type R. Yeah, in Japan. So I'm waiting to register them in Singapore.
Do you have like other friends who own NSXs in Singapore?
Yeah, so my neighbor actually has an automatic NA1, and also another guy nearby has a Targa. So I've been wanting to buy them since I was young, like I was a little kid. But those guys don't want to sell their cars. There's only 4 NSXs in Singapore. And there are more being imported because we can register them soon. So we actually make our little group. There's like less than 10 of us right now. In Singapore, we have cars and coffee, maybe once in 2 months. Yeah, but not as many cool cars compared to Hong Kong.
Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to my channel. I hope to continue making videos on Hong Kong's unique car culture, on the car clubs, and also to share stories from the owners with you in the future. Thank you.